Hey everybody, Tyler Hill here, MarineMax. We're in Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Boston Whaler dealer here. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this 2025 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Such a classic in the light blue Joe coat. Great little package with a galvanized trailer and swing tongue. Probably our most popular Boston Whaler model. As they come in, they sell, and we just keep ordering more. It's just a great boat for here. Pass it on to the kids, they become family heirlooms. Spare tire on the trailer, stainless steel rub rail, nice bimini top, all stainless hardware, bow sun pads on this one, fishing package with the cooler seat and rod holders and backrests. Built-in live well under the reversible pilot seat here. It's got the optional jump seats with backrests in the transom here. JL audio stereo system, Simrad GPS, compass, little tackle storage here, the optional 115 Mercury 4-stroke, stainless steel propeller, transom mount transducer, even have a nice 3-rung swim ladder. A great layout, indestructible, perfect for the kids. Even have some nice storage in here, battery access and a battery switch. Again, this is a 2025 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk in the light blue Joe coat here at MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-783-9555. Give us a call today. Thanks for watching. Take care.